Do you want your lock screen to only show the notification that truly matter? On the Galaxy S25 Ultra, there's a feature that lets you hide silent notification and keep only the important ones visible. Let's set it up. Go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel. And then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen. Tap Notification. Next, tap Lock Screen Notification. And then turn on Show Alerting Notification Only. When this option is on, now silent notification like muted messages or apps you set to silent won't appear on your lock screen. Only urgent or alerting notification will show up. This is especially useful if you open silent group chat or social apps, but still want to keep your lock screen clean and focus on what's important. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.